Alright, so here's another episode of learning JavaScript. So this basically is where I'm learning JavaScript and I'm showing you like how I'm progressing, and so you can share your experience as well, and some tips down in the comments below, so like to build a community of people that are trying to become web developers and learn coding. So let's work our way through. I'm going to read this over real quick and then just try to summarize it in my own words. Then I'm going to type out all the code, because it's the process that I'm using to learn. And what I want to do eventually is, once I get through all this, I'm going to build a few projects and share this on the channel. So keep an eye out for them if you're interested. And I hope I can help you guys as well, sharing my experience and documenting my journey. So you'd always start from 0, that's something to highlight. You wouldn't actually start from 1 with an index. First character, second character. Console.log. So debugging, console.log is something you do. Combining it with length. Second to last character. So those comments at param are used for suggestion methods from the code editor. So we can just ignore them. Square brackets index are used to access a specific index from a string. The index starts at 0, so the first character is index 0. You can combine it with the length of a string to get another character in another position. Combine it with a string, and we can also take that away with the length property. So using the language variable here, so you get the second to last character from it. So character access starts at 0. Alright, let's type this out. Let's see what we can do. Character access. How long has this video been so far? 3 minutes, not too long. I'm trying to keep the videos below 10 minutes. So if we had an array of language, I'm going to make an array language, let language equal to array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 items in this array. Language, I'm going to access the first one, which would be 1. So we put in 0 if we wanted to access the first one, the first character. If we wanted to access the second, we do 1, because we're counting from 0, and then 2, 1, and 2. Right. And if we want to debug, we do console.log. Console.log language 1. Language.length -2. Second last character. Second last character from JavaScript. Right, from JavaScript. Oh, so it's a JavaScript string. Right, fair enough. I see. Let's take an example where the variable language has the value JavaScript. That makes sense. I see. So if we wanted to have the example that they're doing, we do let language equal to JavaScript, and this string actually counts as an array as well. For each of the characters to be array item 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So now let's do control V language.length -2, so that would be P. So -1 would be T, -2 would be P. And let me try that. Language index language.length -4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4 would be OR. That'll be OR, so that'll give us OR, right? Square brackets index are used to access a specific index from a string. The index starts at 0, so the first character is index 0. You can combine it with the length of a string to get another character in another position, right? I'm gonna leave a like. Awesome resource and well written. Leaving some positive feedback there. Param string get first character. So complete the function get first character such that it returns the first character of the name it receives. Alright, so we do get first character, the first character of the name it receives, right? So name dot or name index 0. Then we run that. Yeah, returns a string. AB returns the first character. Console.log get first character of job. That gives us J. Nice. Repeat the function get last character, the last character of the name it receives. So to get the last character we do name, then square brackets name the last character, so we do -1 because we can't do just name because then it would give us undefined because we're counting from 0. Returns a string, run. If return value got undefined. Oh, name.length, sorry, I forgot about the length property. Run. Yeah, there we go. Dot length -1, John, Jennifer. Alright, so that's the end of this little lesson. I'll be going through this full, like there's 40 different parts to this free course, so I'm going to be working my way through them. I hope you get some value from this, and I would definitely recommend this Learn JavaScript Online website. It's completely free and it'll give you some hands-on practice with the JavaScript language. So thanks for watching. Share your thoughts down below and I'll see you in the next one.